Brain Speech Balloon Ignou SC. Counseling and Family Therapy, Solved Papers. From EncycloHub, learn better. Score higher. Blue Book White Heavy Checkmark. Are you pursuing the Master of Science in Counseling and Family Therapy from Ignou? Worried about lengthy case studies, counseling theories, and therapeutic techniques? Let EncycloHub make your preparation smoother with our expertly solved previous year question papers, designed to help you focus on what matters most. Books what you'll get. White Heavy Checkmark lasts 5 to 7 years of solved Ignou papers. White Heavy Checkmark subject-wise, clear and structured answers. White Heavy Checkmark based on updated syllabus and paper pattern. White Heavy Checkmark covers key topics like theories of counseling, family therapy approaches, mental health and human development, research methods, ethics and practical applications, clinical case analysis. Light bulb why choose EncycloHub? Heavy Checkmark ideal for last-minute revision and understanding paper trends. Heavy Checkmark prepared by subject experts with Ignou experience. Heavy Checkmark easy to download PDFs. Heavy Checkmark student-friendly pricing. Heavy Checkmark already helping thousands across India. Mobile phone with Arrow, how to order. Envelope with Arrow, WhatsApp us at your contact number. Inbox tray or DM at EncycloHub with m.sc. CFT solve papers. Sparkles make exam prep less stressful. Trust EncycloHub, your Ignou academic partner. Direct hit Blue Book.